Rex took an accidental dip in the pool, huh? This little wooden thing scared him because it was on the side here. There goes your shampoo smell and conditioner. Well, I guess I won't sit right there and dangle my feet in the water. Took a dip, huh? Well, you got the cool off. We better stay out here for a while so you could so you could dry off, Rex. Ooh, this water's cold. Then again, it is 8 feet deep. Urgh. Oh, scared Snoopy's right there. Hold on, Snoopy. Poor Snoopy, scared of the fireworks. Getting your trembles on. Well, we saw a dog today as trembly as you out in public. That's right, huh, Rex? Little wet Rex. At least your head will still smell like that nice shampoo. Huh? The rest of you be smelling like chlorine. Maybe it'll kill more of the fleas. We'll see. Where's Shirley? You behind us, Shirley? That's right. I just had to cool my jets for a minute, Snoopy. Okay? Yeah, I had to cool my jets. Well, at least I gave the dogs their little tranquilizer pills a tiny bit ago. So Snoopy will be sleeping later. You poor baby. I don't like when you get like that. I better go in. Okay, watch out, Snoopy. I don't want you to be all hyperventilating. Ooh. Let's see. All right. Oh, Shirley. That's right. Let's go this way. Look at this cactus. Shirley, where did I put my water down? Oh, there's my water. Let's see where I left it. Well, at least Rex was able to extricate himself out of the pool this time. See, this wooden thing fell because it's attached to here on the diving board. And Snoopy and Rex were here and they totally ran, and Rex went right in the pool. Right in the corner there, huh? He's the Little Dipper. Alright, now I got my water. And go back over. It's the trio. Mis perros buenos. Alright. Okay, let's go in. Come on, Mr. Rexter.